Okay, this is the crocheted bag that I crocheted. I closed the end with, actually, I think that's an old hair twisty. I have the earth-rated bags pre-separated inside. I'll just pull one out. Inside there. You could put them in a roll, but I found that they just, it's just more convenient to just tear each one off and tuck it in. So I can easily fit 15 into my little crocheted bag. These bags, plenty big. You can quickly see which end is up. There's a little graphic, so you can quickly see which end you need to grab to open. Here's the pooch that we use these for. That's Marley. She's our rescue basset hound. And since bringing her home, we've had to search for just the right bags. And these earth-rated ones are just great. You can see I have that clipped onto my leash with a carabiner. You can also use their bags on the spool that go into the little capsule that they sell. But this is just great if you happen to know a crocheter who can do it. I can put a link to the pattern in my review as well.